Hiranyakashipu, a powerful demon king, was granted a boon that made him nearly invincible. He could not be killed by man or beast, inside or outside, during day or night, on land, in water, or in the air. With this power, he became arrogant and demanded that everyone worship him instead of the gods. However, his own son, Prahalada, was a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu. Despite his father's threats and punishments, Prahalada remained steadfast in his faith. Enraged, Hiranyakashipu tried to kill his son in various ways, throwing him off a cliff, poisoning his food, and even making him sit on a burning pyre with his demoness sister Holika. But Prahalada was miraculously saved every time by Vishnu's grace. One day, Hiranyakashipu challenged Prahalada, asking if your Vishnu is everywhere. Is he in this pillar? When Prahalada confidently said yes, Hiranyakashipu struck the pillar in anger. Suddenly, Lord Vishnu appeared in the form of Narsimha, a half-man, half-lion incarnation. He killed Hiranyakashipu at twilight, neither day nor night, on the threshold of a palace, neither inside nor outside, placing him on his lap, neither land, water nor air, and using his claws, neither weapon nor tool. Thus, Vishnu's divine justice was fulfilled, and Prahalada was saved. Moral of the story: faith and devotion always triumph over arrogance and evil. No matter how powerful one becomes, righteousness and truth always prevail in the end.